Kanina direct bago ko umalis, papatapos pa lang siya kumain.
Okay. Ay, nag-jogging ata si Lance. Ayun, magja-jogging ka? Sure ka? Daming aso ah.
Adrenaline. Parang bilis ang takbo. I don't have any time na direct. I wanna focus for tomorrow kasi.
Why, what's tomorrow ba?
Yung breakup scene na namin.
What's up, y'all?
Are you live?
Yeah.
Midnight,
Oh, so they heard
5,
me.
Friday, midnight.
You heard me spoil.
Nasaan tong Lance Brie? Oh, Brie lang. Walang Lance. Pakita ka dito.
But I'm gonna go for a jog.
Pack up na kasi siya eh. Tapos gusto niyang magpaka. Ikaw, ka na tumakbo.
Bakit? Am I not allowed?
Mamaya ka na
Bakit? Derek's running with me.
Ikaw, lul.
Oh my God. Tapos naka-vlog tuloy. Naka-live.
Tama ba nagla-live? Naka-ano kami ni Derek. Nag-jogging kami.
Show naman your OOTD.
May OOTD.
Oh, so then.
Now? Okay, so mo. OOTD now.
Nakikli ng shorts. Shit.
Masanay ka na. Kasi kikli lang to ng mga shorts mo.
True. Paikliyan kayo na siya.
Nakikli ng shorts.
Paiklihan tayo ng shorts din.
Oh my God. Parang boxers na.
Hindi, kasi pag mahaba yung shorts, nasa sagabal yung tuhod.
That's
Hindi
like
ka
a-
makatakbo ng maayos.
Shorts ni what's his name? Paul Mescal.
Oh, yeah.
Ganyan yung mga shorts. Basta kayo.
Hey guys. Bati na tong mag-friends na to. Nag-away ba tayo? Wala naman ah.
Sabi mo kasi sungit siya.
Ay, oo nga.
Aray ko. Hi po Sam, Sai, direct. So, bitin episode 4.
Guwapo ni Derek.
Yan, totoo naman. Sorry, na-spoil ko pala kanina yung tinitape natin bukas. Bad trip. But yeah,
Dal mo kasi.
I didn't know that you were live kasi. Miss ko na rin si Summer.
Yes. Sure po na. Oo, sure.
Yun talagang binasa mo ah.
Sabi ko,
Which
sure
one?
po
The
na-
car scene?
Kaya nga.
Sabi ko sure po na friends lang.
Kaya nga. Yun talagang binasa mo sa lahat-lahat.
Ano naman?
Not the neck.
Yes, Skeletonus neck. Get it! That's a Skeletonus neck?
Yeah. Uy, live ko na.
Yung tuloy, yung pambura.
Naku, pag mag-mall
tuloy.
show ka, alam mo na yung Skeletonus.
Uy, diba? Sa ano? Sa work.
And you know what's funny? Because you look like a Tic Tac when Aubrey touches your neck.
No.
Not Tic Tac. Yung yung Pez dispenser. There, it opens up like that.
Ah, wala pa naman akong mahawakan ngayon. Best birthday, guys. Happy birthday.
Eh si Aubrey siya yung kiliti.
Parehas kami.
Asalag ka din!
Parehas kami.
Teka lang.
Ah, sige, hold it. Magtabi
Ay,
kayo.
stop.
And then sit down here.
Ano, kanya-kanya hawakan ng leg ba to?
No. Take off your hair. Hold it.
Oh, no. Shit. Oh, sorry.
Okay, tapos. The ring. Oh my God.
I'm not even touching you guys.
But you hit my hair.
Wala pa ako nag-feel.
Oh. Yung back talaga yung ano eh. Yung pamatay.
So,
Okay lang dyan. Pero pag neck. Ready na po yung
screenshot.
Dok pa head. Ba't yung head na?
Ako na lang mag...
Okay.
Wow.
Hindi nga.
So strong.
Where's your ring? Where's my ring? Where's your ring? Oh shit, out of there.
Oh.
Kamukha mo si Claudine.
Thank you po. I love Miss Clau. Guys, may share ako soon. Post ko.
Ay, recorded. Ah, okay. Alam ko yung kanina.
Headlock.
Okay, kay direct na lang. Guys, wag nyo na ipa-recreate sa amin.
Which one?
They said to recreate the kiss daw. Sabi ko,
What kiss?
episode 4.
Ah, okay.
Baka mabang
Kasi ang dami ko na nakita yung ibang kiss dito eh.
Ah,
Baka yung shoot lang.
ay. Yeah.
Diba? Totoo naman. Tagal na natin nag-shoot. Dami-daming kiss na nakita ko. Bisaya ka daw.
Ngayong gabi sa tanan, pang 18th day na namo karon mag-shoot. Ya, ugma. Mao na pagbulag na mo na scene, mao na i-shoot na mo.
Kaon ka na.
Ikaw na kalab.
Kaon na kalab.
Ay, ambot sa imo.
Ambot sa imo.
Yawa. Yawa ka? That's my, what yung sabi lagi ng lolo ko.
Ay, sila mabasa?
Taga-rumblon.
Oh.
Ay, guwapa ka, Sam ko.
Salamat kaayo.
Yun, you're learning.
Ayun, no? Ang galing na ni Oh.
Learning,
Salamat
she's learning.
yun.
Salamat yun. Kila Mama Carl, salamat yun.
Kailan tayo manonood ng movie? Sama kayo, guys.
Guys, tomorrow na in between. Watch kayo in cinemas nationwide. We're gonna watch it.
Tapos tag niyo ako, tag niyo yung tickets.
Yes,
Yeah.
direct.
And mag-review kayo guys.
Mag-review kayo. Kung madaming reviews, i-reveal ko kung saan kami mag-shoot.
Okay. Oh, batang gani ka naman daw. Ikaw na yun.
Alay, ano ba?
So basic. Dapat yung
Iba na naman talaga. Ay, naiintindihan nyo yun. Tagalog din naman kami. Pero ganito kami magsalita. Matigas. Ganun.
Hindi malambing, no?
Hindi malambing. Ano ga?
Kaya ikaw, mas malambing ka magsalita.
Me?
Okay.
No, relatively mas malambing pa rin ng mga Ilonggo magsalita.
Ilonggo,
Yeah. Sa amin kasi may pagka matigas pa rin. Pero iba yung sa Ilonggo talaga. Iba yung lambing nila.
Pack up na si Miss Clau.
Ay, well. And me.
She did a great job today.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was under the weather pa.
I can't help but watch kanina, honestly.
Oh my gosh, ako
I
rin.
can't help
I
but
was like,
watch.
oh, okay.
It's like, witness it with my own eyes.
Okay muna, wait lang. Share muna.
Oh, aliwin mo sila, Ogs.
Okay, okay.
I'm here.
Magra-run daw siya. Bawal mag-run.
In a bit, when Direct comes back, and then when he, ano na. Day what na kayo? 18? Ano ka? Huwag kang umay. Ano na? Di kita laro. Ay, hindi nga. Maaram ko magwaray-waray. Yun ang alam ko. Sana more projects together after AOTD. Yeah, hopefully.
So guys, please watch AOTD para more projects kami.
Alam mo sinasabi ni Mommy sa akin, inaabangan niya na sana magkaroon daw tayo ng horror. Ang sabi ko, kaso kaka-horror lang eh. Ewan ko mag-horror pa ba siya ulit.
Oo naman. Hindi dapat gawin natin action.
Action? Pwede, ikaw yung ano, ikaw yung boxer o yung coach mo.
Nakailang rewatch na nga eh.
Hey guys, I'm really glad that you liked the episodes and you like what you see. We've been doing our best, especially her.
Bigat pala na po nito.
Yeah, for some reason. What's your perfume?
May kwento to them what we had kanina for lunch.
Oh,
For like...
Uy, ang liit ng ano mo.
ay sorry. Ano, yung money shot natin, mawawala na ng silbi yung money shot natin.
Bawal mo kahit makakita.
So kanina we had Halo Halo, sponsored by Direct Gino.
I know, right? Nag-mix-mix kami.
It was the first time we had Halo Halo. So,
Talaga?
yeah.
Pero sabihin mo kung ano yung ingredients mo dun sa halo-halo.
Mine was ube, banana, ice and milk. And
Yung banana mo, yung
totoong banana.
totoong banana, hindi saging na saba.
Hindi. Ikaw?
Akin lahat ng toppings pinaglalagay ko.
Really?
Oh.
So like
pero,
nata de coco.
yeah, pero walang sugar.
gulaman.
Just milk.
Ikaw, na-equal kayo.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
oo, nag-stevia.
Pero mahilig talaga sa ube direct. I'm so addicted
And we
to
had
ube.
leche flan. We had leche flan
I
also.
wasn't able.
So legit yung yung halo-halo natin.
Yeah.
Tapos kung gusto niyo mag-donate din ng mga ng mga halo-halo stuff, we will get it
Yes,
from
we
you.
will. Yeah.
So, yes. Kasi nakakatuwa gumawa ng halo-halo sa set.
No, direct legit na. You know what I wanted to bring a gift grill sa next.
Samgyup.
Pero kasi kung Ligaya House,
Hindi.
Hindi, bawal.
So ibang, kunwari kung makakabalik pa tayo dito.
Let's see what
I'll bring the gift grill. I have a drink.
Everybody, here is Naomi!
Ay, let's take it.
Yeah, TikTok live.
Kasi I want almond jelly or sagot
Sagot gulaman.
hindi sagot gulaman eh. Yung
Nice to know.
mango
sago.
mango sago.
Okay.
Oh,
Kasi
I
may,
like that.
Kasi may ano na tayo eh, ice crusher eh. So we can make all
Ano
those.
yung merienda na naman?
O nagpa-pre-prod kami for ano.
Halo-halo.
For merienda.
Or gawa tayo snow cone. Mga ganun.
Ay, cute yun. Oo.
Kasi may ice,
Yeah.
ano na tayo eh. Crusher.
Kailangan natin yung syrup.
Mm.
Kunwari like strawberry,
Mga
blueberry.
iba't ibang flavor.
Di ko ba nasabi, direct, kaya may hanya akong dala ngayon.
Honey.
Yeah. Saan sa halo-halo.
Onion ice.
No, hindi naman. No, kanina kasi, gumawa ako ng protein pancakes sa solo.
Okay.
Hindi kanina sa halo-halo sana. Uy, may free gift, thank you.
And
Guys,
there's a lot of
thank
people
you.
watching.
Yeah, 2.6, 2.7!
million watchers.
Guys, mag-send kayo ng gift kay
Million?
Direk.
Wow!
And please send, tap hearts. Dapat maka 1 million hearts.
Why?
Wala lang.
Kasi trip mo lang.
Bragging rights lang. Maka 1 million likes kami.
Yeah, and again, episode 5 will be this week and I watched it already.
Ako eh, happy.
Actually, napanood ko na rin yung episode 6.
How was it, Direk? Episode 5. Konting lang. Spoiler.
Spoiler, pero
Di pa
comment
naman,
na
di
lang.
pa ata
Comment.
lumalabas yung
Teaser,
trailer.
hindi pa. I think it's
Trailer,
gonna come out
no?
tomorrow.
Lumabas na siya. Yung after ng episode 4, di ba may mga parang abangan?
But the teaser's
Pero,
different.
yeah. Oh, yeah. That's,
I think it's gonna be released tomorrow. That's 2 days before usually.
yeah.
Let's see. But I'm excited also for you guys to see.
That is so tired. I mean, we're excited to see your movie.
Oh
Yeah!
Actually,
Guys, tomorrow na.
Actually, maganda siya.
in between.
Not to brag, but I'm
Yeah.
happy with my shots. And magaling si Je. And ang galing niya, no? Yisu ni Je.
Yeah. And ang ganda ng concept, guys. Sinabi ni Derek. Siyempre, hindi ko
Sabihin
spoil.
mo ulit direct.
Sex, alcohol, and hulugan ng feelings.
Anong klaseng alak kayo? Ganun. Malalaman nyo kung anong klaseng alak.
Sige nga,
kayo.
Aubrey, anong klase ano?
I don't know nga, Derek eh.
Anong
Dapat
klaseng
mapanood ko muna yung movie para doon ko i-base yung personality ko dun sa mga ano.
Pwede natin ilagay dito.
Kung alak ka, anong klaseng alak ka? Parang ganun.
Yeah. What kind of alcohol are you? Tita, patong natin sa Dear Box.
Sa Dior.
So,
I love this club.
kami, Robs. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3.
Bakit yung face natin ang dami?
1, 2, 3. Ayun! Pero have you answered that? Ano kung alcohol ka? Ano ka?
Oh, I answered that in my press con. I said I was a... No, I'm really a... dirty martini. Like,
Dirty.
yeah, I like drinking a dirty martini. But, sinabi sa akin kung ano ako na yon, I would say a mezcal shot. Because I just... So, a mezcal is an agave, distilled agave. So, di siya tequila kasi yung ginagamit na cactus na ng agave, hindi galing sa place na ginagawa yung tequila. So, it's also aged different. So, it has a smoky taste. So, parang siyang tequila na may konting whiskey. May hybrid siya na taste. So, super good. Ikaw?
Soju. Joke lang.
Very Korean.
Ikaw?
Hindi ko alam. I don't drink na eh. Pero gusto ko mapanood yung movie ni Derek. Tapos I will try lahat ng drinks doon.
Ay, oo.
Diba? Tapos doon ko malalaman, like this pala. Ganun. So let's watch, guys. Ang amazing nun. Tapos after nun, wow!
Ba't may
Thank
kamay?
you! Gift yan, Derek.
Ba't may kamay nila?
Wow!
After dito.
Thank you guys so much. Sige pa. So you guys have to watch in between. Tapos after no, nagawin nyo with your friends. Try nyo lahat ng mga drinks na ipapakita doon. Tapos i-identify nyo kung sino kayo.
Tapos sabihin nyo rin sa akin kung saan sinamahan kayo pupunta para bisitahin namin
Yeah,
kayo.
tag Direct, guys. Don't forget to tag Direct. Also Diego and Sue. And Viva Films, guys. So,
Ikaw, Naomi, what drink are you?
Maybe, wala lang, minum direct.
Water. Very clean.
ano yung parang go-to drink mo pag nagpa-park? Like yung madalas mo.
Emeritus, sorry.
Oh, that's
Oh,
good.
that's classic.
That's kind of refreshing.
Oh, hindi ko alam.
Amaretto shower. Is it the one with egg whites, right?
Yes.
It's with egg whites.
Shit.
Kaya pala nung nag-recraft tayo, puro amaretto ano.
Oo. Puro kayo.
Bitter yun?
No,
Amaretto.
it's sweet.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Ako direct feel ko tequila.
Tequila. Nako.
Ayaw mo sa umpisa pero yun, sa katagalan hinahanap-hanap.
Oh, wow.
Wow!
Deadly. Kaya pala ang daldal mo. Hyper, daldal. And 0 calories.
Zero calories yung tequila?
Kapag gusto mo mag-diet, it's either vodka na pure on
Yeah.
rocks or...
Oh my
I like vodka.
Really? Oh.
Ako, hindi ako
Drink
ma-vodka.
tequila pala lang.
I used to like vodka pero vodka gives me the worst hangover. Like, ang lala. So in Bali, there was this like 300 peso vodka. It's 1.5 liters. Dead after one bottle lang.
Kaya hangover.
Yeah.
Ba't ulit jelly?
Jealous ka.
Sino jealous na?
Ay,
Sila. Ewan ko ba, seloso siya.
ako na.
Grabe.
Ito naman tawag.
Diba yung tawag? Ano ba?
Sige, ako na lang. Ako na lang.
Alam niyo ba yung tawa nung pag nag-golf? Yung old money, rich guy, gayon. Yung bilang lang. Pag ko na rin nakano.
Pero sige, ako na lang. Ganun talaga.
Ganun.
Ganon. Jelly, ano pa? Dugaya.
Dugaya i-release. Uy,
Dugaya, ano?
Dugaya i-release.
Anong
What's
i-release?
Dugaya?
Yung episode 5. Dugay is matagal.
Dugay? Dugay?
Dugay.
Give me bad words.
Yawa.
Pwede ba yun?
Baka maban. Tama na.
I think TikTok doesn't understand that. Unless somebody reports.
Guys, don't report us. Please, we're just having fun.
I don't know if it's...
Disclaimer.
I don't know if it's bad pero giatay man ko eh.
Yeah,
that?
Taiman.
I actually don't know the meaning of it. Pero it's what we say pagka live. Parang it's similar sa parang upal mo talaga.
Oh.
Teka, hindi ko mabasa yung mga
Say,
comments.
ako.
Ang bilis kasi.
To watching watching from Yatay lagi. Ewan ko na. Jelly. Mall show here in Batangas. Kaya tapos na kami Santo Tomas, guys. Abangan niyo yung mall show namin next.
Kailan tayo maging EK?
Oh my God! Yeah! Hindi.
May bago silang ride, di ba?
Yeah. Anong favorite yung ride sa EK? Derek, ikaw. It's your favorite.
Jungle Love
most-
Jump.
Oh my gosh, mababasa. Gusto ko yung Disco Magic. Yung
I like
umiikot.
wet eh.
Ay. So gusto mo Rio Grande din? Because wet yun.
No, mas gusto ko yung
Yeah.
Jungle.
Oh. You, Abby.
Rio Grande is too wet eh. Ayoko masyadong basa.
I know, right? Sobrang basa ka nun.
Yeah, actually, pagbaba mo, no?
Oo. Hindi, kasi minsan natatimingan mo yung pagbasa.
Yeah.
Ano ba? Sa totoo naman, di ba pag umiikot, yung minsan ikaw yung mabubuhusan ng pagbasa.
Grabe kong klase mo eh.
Ano favorite mo?
Roller coaster.
Oh, yung space shuttle?
Yeah, space shuttle.
Ay, no,
Oh
no,
my
no,
God,
no,
ang
no,
tagal
no,
ko
no,
na
no.
napunta sa
No.
EK. Wait! Ano tayo? Haunted house?
Oh my God, yeah! Yes. Ikaw, ano favorite mo? Wala. KJ. Alam ko, favorite niya, guys.
Ano?
Yung, umiikot. Ano
Yung lumilipad? Flying Fiesta?
Hindi direct. Yung
Carousel.
carousel.
Pwede talaga ako.
KJ kasi. Uy.
Hindi, gusto niya yung Flying Fiesta.
Mag-try tayo. Oh my gosh, try natin Anchors Away. Oh, shit. Yung ganun.
Yeah.
Ay, actually, sobrang nakalula yun.
Pag nasa dulo. So,
Tayo sa dulo.
yeah! Excited masyado. So, EK, please give us free tickets.
Oh, invite us.
Yeah, please! Na-try niyo yung Agila? Oh,
I
try
did.
niyo.
I did.
Ay, okay, did. Ang saya, Agila. Ano pa?
Wala, nag-ano na si
Ano
Gino.
yung sinisend na times 300
Most Silos.
What's a silos?
Silos, si Sai Selos. Ba't ka nagsiselos? Oo. Arte.
Sige.
Ikaw si Silos.
Silos. Jelly.
Silos and Jelly. At may times na yan.
Ibig sabihin, direct, 354 times nilang sinesend yung silos. Ganun alay. Most sent yung silos. So, hindi na siya lalabas because sunod-sunod yung silos.
Tawag sa akin.
Anong tawag niyo kay Direct, guys? Magbigay kayo ng tawag kay Direct and kay Abby. Hindi pwedeng kami lang. Jelusay ka daw. Jelusay. Kasi jelusay. Ang witty niyo, ha? Ano?
Hala, pinapabihis na oh.
600k likes na tayo, Direct. Guys, abuti yung 1 million.
Pwede ba yun mag-1 million?
Yeah. Kakatap-tap lang yan, Timo. Mamaya mag-1 million tayo. Guys, please.
Do I have to
Tap.
show something?
You don't have to show
Spoiler.
anything, Direct.
Do I have to show anything to get the 1 million?
Ginoo daw, Ginoo.
Ginoo.
Oo, Ginoo. Tapos meron pa here. Ano yung
Ginorius?
Ginolus?
Ginorius.
Pero,
Or whatever, this is the expression in Bisaya. Well, I can say yun. Sus ginoo ko.
Sus Ginoo. Sus Ginoo.
walk into din eh. Cat.
Alright guys, comes out tomorrow, In Between, cinemas nationwide.
Yes.
Yes, please
If
watch.
you haven't checked the trailer, if you watch a trailer, wala kayo nakita doon. Kasi wala, pinilit ko naman maglabas ng trailer, hindi pa tapos yung movie.
Yes, panoorin nyo na lang.
Gino?
Yeah, we have to
Maginoo.
release a trailer. Pero wala pa yung mga highlights.
Maginoo daw, Maginoo.
Maginoo. I like that.
Eh, so nice. Positive ano naman siya. Call
Manoo.
sign. Maginoo.
Mano po.
How tall are you, Lance? 6'3" siya, guys.
Tapos,
In the book, I'm 60.
and then, Sam, how tall are you?
I'm 5'8".
So, si Giselle,
Oh, I think she's like 5'10", 5'11". Lapit na mag 1M.
I
Uy!
have a question.
900,000 na direct.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, si Giselle ba, in episode 4 ba yung nag-meet kayo?
Wait. Yeah, episode 4.
Yes, 4. Kasi yung episode 4, yung time na nasa dinner table kami eating botiju and she was like,
yeah.
Tapos
what
sabi
if I
ni
could model?
sabi ni Giselle sa'yo, look at your neckline.
I love it.
I
Oh!
love your neckline.
Meron pa siya.
Hey, we're happy 1 million.
1 million, yay!
Is this convertible to cash?
No.
Oh, Ed died.
No, just, lang, 1 million love. 1 million hearts for us. Thank you guys. We love you.
We love you, and we're going to keep on making good episodes for you guys. So yeah, we're working really hard, and yun lang.
Yeah, thank you guys. 1 million and 2.8 thousand viewers. You guys are the best.
When you watch AOTD, don't forget to rate 5 stars.
Yeah.
5 stars.
And please, guys, stream legally.
True.
Only on Viva One. Wag po tayong mag-ano ng other.
Kasi lugi kayo.
Yeah.
Lugi tayo. Lugi mga fans, diba? Dapat everyone's supposed to stream it legally.
Thank you so much po, sige.
And if you see episode reported.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, diba? Lugi kayo.
Mm-mm.
And the best part about watching on Viva One, kayo una.
Yeah.
Actually.
You watch it all together.
Yes. It's your way to support us na rin. So,
May mga books pa. Oh, may Via pa. May Arkin. Oh,
Yeah.
sino gusto manood ng Via Arkin book?
Me! I read it.
Oh.
Me. And Jai Cole.
5. Jai Nicole. Guys,
Jai Cole.
if gusto nyo pang magtuloy-tuloy yung adaptation, please stream legally.
Oo, madami pong plano ng Viva One. Like, season 2 of a particular show. So, ayun. Ito, hala. O sige na.
We love you guys.
Okay.
Thank you for the 1.2 million love
I'm gonna
hearts.
go for a run.
And I hope
2.5.
this is convertible to cash. Thank you
Bye,
guys.
guys.
We love you.